So we're all settled now on the train. We got our sheets, our blankets and pillows. And this is Julius's bed. I'm already here. I have my backpack. I'll probably move that here somewhere next to my head. And yeah, so we've got all the switches. I can turn on reading lamp. Yeah. Oops. Yeah, we're already moving. So also here we have a curtain which we can close for a bit of privacy when we're sleeping. So we are traveling in a second class, so this is how our room looks. The total cost for both of us was around 30 euros. It's yeah, 12-hour journey, 30 euros, which is quite good. So a lady at the train station, she said that these are really good cookies. So I thought I'll buy them and try them on the train. This is how they look. Okay, let's try them. They have like chocolate pieces. Very nice. Very good. So it's 8:25 and we are still on the train. We have around an hour's ride to Mysuru. So the views has changed. It looks much tighter, less people here, and it's just fields of crops and palm trees and yeah, very nice. Hello, so we arrived to Mysuru this morning and we didn't get a great sleep. So once we checked into our hotel, we just had a little nap. Well, not that little, it's actually 4 o'clock now. So and now we are just heading to a shopping center, which is nearby. Smart Bazaar. Let's go in. we got stopped by the security on the way out. They've checked all the receipt and all the asked us to open the bag and to check out if we weren't taking anything or what we didn't pay. So yeah, very strange experience.
They on the exit they check your receipt for every customer. They check your receipt and check your products and make sure the matches the receipt and then whatever you got, and they stamp it.
Yes. There's our receipt stamped, and we paid 624.38.
And I also had to stamp a receipt for the ice cream I already ate inside.
Oh. So our dinner tonight will be Domino's pizza. Here we've got the chicken and parmesan stuffed stuffed garlic bread. Looks good, very nice. Crispy. And oh, look at all the seasoning, oregano seasoning, oregano, chili flakes. Oh, cool. Yeah, you don't get them in Europe. So this one here is the paratha pizza. It's paneer paratha pizza. Let's check it out. Oh, it's tiny. Looks cute. Very nice. Okay. And this one here is chicken tikka. Oh, wow. Looks great. Yeah.
Nice.
So, and the total for all these 3 pizzas was 1,025 rupees and 85 cents. So that's Julie's calculated in euros. That's around 12 euros, is it?
Around 12 euros.
Around 12 euros. Not bad. So this was the garlic bread stuffed with chicken and pepperoni. It's very soft and it's quite spicy. The pepperoni is quite spicy, but it's super delicious, really, really nice. I also tried already the paratha pizza, which looks like this. Yeah, it's a bit like a cottage cheese, similar to cottage cheese. Not too bad, but this one is nicer. So this pizza is actually topped with many red chilies and mint sauce. Pizza is quite spicy, but it's very fresh. The dough is super soft and yeah, really, really nice pizza. Very good.